Hey guys, we received this Apple Watch band for test and try. So this compatible with the Apple Watch Ultra 7, 8 series or SE. It's adjustable smartwatch replacement strap. So it's 100% carbon fiber with the engraving process. So you can see this comes also with some tools. So if you want to take out some of the bits to adjust in your size, and you can see it here as well. So you can easily lock that and you can easily put this into the watch. So putting it into the watch is really easy and this really fits well. So you can see there is no issue with the band. Opening and closing is really easy as there are this knob thing. So let me just wear it up. So this looks really nice, very lightweight, and the hairs are not coming in between, so pretty nice. And as they are the lightweight, so it's not have like that heavy chain effect or the feeling, and then it works really nice. So this design is also good. So you can also adjust this length of the chain based on these hooks and things, and then all the tools are provided along with the package, so that's a nice thing as well. So you can easily adjust if you want to take any hooks in the loop in between and then put the next one inside. So overall, it's a nice band and compatible with almost all recent Apple watches. So mine is a 7 series 45 and it fits really good in it. And also it's easy to install and each link for adjustable length as well. So very nice band.